The early mining companies came to this area in the 1800s in search of phosphate. Companies such as Virginia Carolina Mining Company, Pierce Mining Company, and the International Mining and Chemical Company have since mined this area multiple times through the years. Many of the areas have become clay settling areas and gypsum disposal stacks, which have played an integral part in the mining process. Welcome to Innovation Environmental Park, located 4 miles south of Mulberry and south of County Road 640, 2 miles west of State Highway 37. The innovation complex and surrounding land uses are designed to enable industries to develop around a source of products and materials used in manufacturing processing known in a standard manufacturing process as raw materials. The recyclable and non-usable materials will be delivered through the scale house, located approximately 1/2 mile south of County Road 640. Innovation Environmental Park is designed to provide an environmentally sound waste processing site while creating jobs and responsible environmental education in Polk County, a name that aptly resonates with a new direction on how to think, manage, and view solid waste management facilities. Innovation will capitalize on industry synergies and serve as a magnet to attract businesses connected to the industry to create new opportunities for the remanufacturing, repurposing, recreation, and reusing of materials that without innovation would be destined for a landfill. The overall purpose of innovation will be to promote effective, safe, sustainable, and affordable waste management options. Innovation is not just another waste processing and disposal site. Innovation has been strategically designed to be much more. Innovation will be positioned to offer a variety of environmental services unmatched by any other company in Central Florida. The concept to create a business environment conducive to industry synergies will without a doubt energize Polk's economic base and provide new and greater opportunities to local entrepreneurs and small business owners. Polk County stands to benefit greatly by creating needed jobs, stimulate new business development, and reduce waste costs through the creation of the innovation concept. The south entrance along State Road 37 clearly displays the existing tree line and berm system, which will remain in place. The employee and emergency vehicle access will enter at this location. The on-site retention area, along with an educational facility and construction offices, will be located on the south part of the site. In addition, innovation is poised to assist the county in responding to emergency debris removal situations like those encountered following the 2004 hurricane season. The designers of innovation have indeed looked back to assess where the industry has been, and thus have aimed toward the future to envision the new generation of solid waste management practices. Innovation will be able to capitalize on the concept of industry synergies and serve as a magnet to attract businesses, which will create new opportunities for the remanufacturing and reusing of discarded material which would typically be headed for the landfill. This project will unify a set of disjointed activities: unloading, loading, baling, transporting, shipping, unloading, unbaling, and processing into one activity, where materials are touched once before they are reconditioned or reconstructed in the manufacturing process. The heart of innovation is the processing area, which is located 1 mile south of County Road 640. The processing building is the beginning of the one-touch approach, where all incoming waste will be sorted and distributed to the specific remanufacturing or reprocessing facility for its final application. It is also the beginning of green products, which will be manufactured and sent all over the world. Any material which is unable to be recycled or reused will be safely discarded and permanently disposed of on-site. Wood material will enter the facility from the main processing building, where it will be used for remanufacturing as well as within the composting operation. Wood material will be segregated and processed for specific reuses based on quality. The purpose of the Innovation Environmental Park Research Facility is to keep innovation as a leader in green technology. Research will be conducted in biofuels and other new green manufacturing processes. This research will encourage partnerships with top research institutions throughout the country, which will provide high-paying jobs and skilled labor. Green technology is one of the fastest-growing areas for jobs and new industries. Polk County would greatly benefit from this technology and these skilled positions. The aggregate asphalt plant is one example of the one-touch approach where shingles, glass, and recycling aggregate are combined to create asphaltic concrete used for construction of new roads, trails, and parking areas. Innovation plans to utilize this technology while building its own facilities. An important part of innovation processing will be yard and wood waste into composting. By utilizing the space available on the reclaimed settling areas, innovation will be able to take advantage of multiple composting techniques. The composting material will benefit the on-site tree nursery, as well as be bagged and sold through retail operations. The nursery will utilize organic compost material created from the yard and wood operation to grow native plants and trees to be used both within Innovation Park and market retailers. Organic plants are highly marketable, and organic materials are part of a growing industry. The initial waste disposal cells are displayed near the process facilities. Once waste disposal cells are filled, they will continue to be utilized as composting and nursery areas. Styrofoam and plastics recovered will be reprocessed into a multitude of products, such as frames, trim modeling, and other uses. Glass will be sorted and segregated for specific remanufacturing processes such as glass tile, countertops, and terrazzo aggregate, and will also be used within the aggregate asphalt plant. Metal will be sorted and baled for shipment to end users. The integral part of the one-touch approach is a network of conveyors linking various processes within innovation's different remanufacturing, reprocessing, and reuse facilities. The least amount of times any material is handled or moved within a manufacturing process, the more cost-efficient that operation will be. Innovation maximizes this concept. A key component of Innovation Environmental Park is its commitment to green education in terms of green technology, continuing education programs, and field trip opportunities to our public and private schools, community groups, and private citizens. While many people in Polk County recognize the importance of recycling, many do not realize all the items which can be recycled. The educational component will work closely with research and development to bring instructive programs to other operations around the country and to allow hands-on approaches to learning. Innovation Environmental Park has resources and amenities not available at any other solid waste facilities. Innovation benefits from a highway transportation system without interfering with adjacent uses. The lack of environmental impacts to the site and the geological conditions provide an ideal location for the creation of jobs and infrastructure for a significant increase in ad valorem taxes for the county. The reduction in carbon footprint that Innovation Environmental Park will produce will far exceed the impacts which mining has created in this area over the past 100 years. Creating jobs while saving the environment, a concept we can all live with.